Hi 8th grade students, this is Mr. Stivers. This video is a rhythm tutorial for the 2016 8th grade All-County Music. So what I'll be doing is showing you where to actually find these documents if you need them, going over the audition information and process itself, and this video again is simply just about mastering the rhythm and making sure our counts are lined up for how we practice in class. So I've already passed out the music. It came here September 1st. So if you do lose it, you can go to our website, crosbyband.com, go to the student page, and at the bottom under student documents, there's 7th grade all county, there's 8th grade all county. So when you click it, go to save as. It does come up as a zip folder, so you're going to have to double click and open it. There are files for woodwinds only, brass only, and percussion only. So, alright, the audition information itself, I want to go over with you. Registration, the audition is October 20th, which falls on a Thursday evening, and the audition night runs from 4 o'clock to 7 p.m. If you notice right here, it does say 8th grade students are highly encouraged to register an audition between 5:30 and 7. That is something we encourage, but it's not enforced. So if you are a parent who needs to get your student early, you're welcome to get there around the 4 to 6 mark. This is at Jefferson County Traditional Middle School. That is our venue. And this note here, let's read students. In addition to audition music, you're going to be asked to perform a 1-octave scale from memory, and that can either be concert B flat, E flat, A flat, F, or C. Those are the 5 scales we do every single day in band, so you should be comfortable with that. The first thing after performing that scale, and the judge will tell you which one that you will perform, you're going to play both pieces for the audition. So this particular video covers only the unison etude. It does not cover the counting of the rhythm for the independent part. But after you perform both of those pieces, the second thing is that you're going to sight read a piece you've never seen before, and you get 30 seconds to read it without playing your instrument. And think about all the methods we do in class between thinking through the rhythm, moving your fingers at a free practice to the beat, air drumming, you name it. So when your sight reading's over, and your judge will tell you when your time is up, they're going to ask you to begin playing those 4 measures, and after you've played them, you're done and you're free to go. Reminder, if you did bring your own music, make sure you get that off your music stand so you don't bother the next person who's auditioning. Now, percussionists need to pay particular attention because it is a little different for you. Percussionists are welcome to audition on, they have to audition on the unison mallet part, but you can pick a specialty. You can do mallet again, snare, or timpani, and we'll clarify those in school. But let's see. In addition to audition music, it says here, this is for snare drum. You're asked to perform a 5-stroke, 9-stroke, or 7-stroke roll, and or left-right flams. You're also going to be asked to play a scale on the mallet instrument, either B flat, E flat, A flat, F, or C. So let's just go over here step by step. Students who audition on snare or timpani are required to perform the unison etude on mallets. Students must provide their own snare sticks and keyboard mallets for the audition. Both pieces must be played for the audition. And then, just like every other instrument, you will have sight reading. It does say down here, your sight reading will be played on the snare drum. So just know that your sight reading is going to be played on that instrument, the snare drum. Alright, so without further ado, if you have your all-county etude out, we're going to tackle the rhythms today and make sure those are written in our part. Okay, so with your pencil ready, I've spaced out my lines a little bit so your alls are obviously different. Okay. We'll go over key, we'll go over dynamics, articulation, all those fun things. But for today, let's just do rhythm. So, first count in 4/4 timing, obviously hits on a 1. We have 2/16, so and a. Quarter note on 2, 3, and 4. Measure 2, 1, and 2, 3, 4. Next measure, steady eighth notes, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and next measure, 1 and 2 and 3. Line 2, measure 5. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Next measure, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and dotted half receives 3 equal beats, thus putting our quarter rest on beat 4. Line 3, measure 9. 1 and 3, 4. Reminder on your dotted quarter that receives 3 eighth notes. So we're subdividing 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Moving on, measure 10, line 3, 1 and 2 and 3. Next measure, dotted eighth, single 16th. We would subdivide 1 E and, leaving 2 and 3. And our forte measure, same rhythm. 1 E and 2 and 3. And our last line. 3 eighth notes in the dotted quarter, 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3. Next, the last measure, 1 and 2, 3 and 3 E and 4 and 1, all the way to the single quarter rest on 4. Alright students, so there are your counts. You can pause at any point in the video, rewind. There will be more videos to come on both the independent part as well as unison one. Students, I would expect you to have your counts written in no later than Tuesday, September 6th, the day after Labor Day. Alright, thanks for checking.